So we're taking a look at this K300 fixed blade knife from Tactica. Really cool box. Opens up so you can get a good look at it, get an idea of its features, and let's go ahead and take it out of here. So we'll open up the top. So when it comes out in this cool kind of foam carrier, take a look at some of its features. So you can kind of push the scabbard off the top there. Get a good look at the blade. Pretty good thickness. Take a look at the handles here. G10. Nice blade. Got a lanyard loop at the end of the scabbard there. A metal clip. Let's put it in the right way. Yep, it locks in at the bottom of the blade down here. You can see that's where it locks in, kind of mechanically. Nice strong metal clip. Looks like you've got a couple of different ways to attach this. Might even clip into Molly. Just notice the kind of the copper element there. Being in Arizona, that's pretty cool. So this is the Tactica K300. Very nice knife. It's got some jimping on the back here, which is kind of cool. A nice lanyard, kind of a diagonal lanyard loop. Yeah, this seems like a really good size for doing camp work. Very nice. The K300 from Tactica.